I don't know if you're aware of this, but I have a limited ability to predict the future. And I'm here to tell you that your snowblower will break down just before the next big winter storm. Snowblowers come in different shapes and sizes. There are single stage and there are two-stage snowblowers. And if you've got a snowblower with a drivetrain and the drivetrain fails, that snowblower is useless. My two-stage snowblower failed on me the other day. Now the auger worked just fine. It would still throw snow. But for some reason, the drivetrain on this snowblower failed. I started the diagnosis by looking at the linkage from the handle down to the snowblower itself. Everything seemed to work fine, so I decided that I needed to get down underneath and look at the drivetrain itself. I was hoping for a simple fix, and I lucked out. I put the snowblower up on blocks and started by removing the pan underneath. I took the two front bolts out completely, and then I just loosened the two back ones. As soon as I pulled the pan off, I could hear something moving around. It didn't take me long to figure out what had gone wrong. Now that bolt you saw is pretty critical because it connects the drive shaft to the drive sprocket, and without it, you're not going anywhere. What I needed to do now was get the hole in the sprocket lined up with the hole in the shaft. So I got pretty close, and then I just used an awl, forced my way in through there, lined everything back up, and it was off to the bolt bin to find a replacement. I put the original lock nut back on and snugged it up. Get ready, because here comes the money shot. Put your snowblower back together, and it's ready to go back to work.